everyone, welcome to Wheel Wednesday. These are all of the boxes that are on the wheel that we are spinning today. I think this actually will be the first or one of the first where I didn't show my face in a video, but I have my cute co-host Emmy here, so no worries, she will take the show. Let's see what our first box is. Layered with lace. So I'm grabbing it out of the pile here. The wait is over. So we're kind of doing a POV style unboxing. So they sent me 2 bralettes. Normally you get 1 per month and it's $18. They do have a code. It's not affiliated to get your first for $8 off, so only $10. I tried both of these on and I got a size large and they're super cute. I couldn't take pictures because it's a little too sexy, a little sheer. I really like the cross stitch or whatever you call it, the backing of this one. I think the blue is my favorite, but I really like this coral colored one too. They both fit me fine. Sometimes bras are a little too tight on me, even when they're like large or extra large, but these I feel fit true to size. And one of them has like the little clasps on the back, but you can still pull it over your head. So both comfy, both adjustable. Now let's see what we have next. By the way, all these boxes will be linked down below. I feel like this is a speed wheel game today. Crystal Council. So this is the second time I've opened this box. They have 4 different subscription options. I get the second tier that's $28. They range from I think $14 to $108. So there's a wide variety. I do have a large crystal collection and I still, feel like I want more. And this is a cool option. I would love to get the $108 version because they have huge crystals in there. But in this one, I think we get 4 crystals and also a ritual too. So let's see how long until we can get Emmy up from her nap. So there's a card here that tells us about the theme and everything. When you sign up for Crystal Council box, you do fill out a survey and let them know like what type of things you want, like if you want for anxiety or crystals, like what reason you want them for. So it is a little bit customized. And there's a midsummer ritual set here. We'll see the items that come inside. So I love that. I love when you get ritual kits. I love rituals. I love crystals. And they give you information on all of the crystals that come inside in a scroll that's sealed with wax, which is super cute. I like that. And then they wrap everything well. All the crystals showed up fine. And here I show you. There's a lot of writing on it, so we're not going to go through all of that. But they're all picked based on the profile and also to help you with mindfulness practice. And then at the bottom of the scroll, they give you some more tips to practice mindfulness and to use your new crystals. While I'm doing the audio recording, Emmy is much more active than she is in this video. So let's see what our first crystals are. Or actually, I'm opening up the little meditation kit or midsummer ritual kit first. So the envelope's cool. Look how you pulled it out. I was entertained by it. And inside there is some tea. Oh, she's like kind of captivated. She's like, is this interesting enough for me to look? Not yet. Meditation moment, Buddha tea. I love tea, so I'm always happy to get more. And then this little sun thing. What is that for? I'm not exactly sure. I should look. And 2 bay leaves. The plantable seed card. Cool. I knew that was something. I couldn't remember. And then they give you steps on how to do this ritual. Invoke all 4 elements in a midsummer magic ritual to amplify positive energies in your space and connect deeply to Mother Earth. And yeah, there's 7 steps. That's awesome. I wonder what the plants will be. But here's our first crystal. You guys, I was really embarrassed by my nails. I painted them right before I started filming, and now I'm trying to hide it. But this is carnelian. I think it looks really cool. I didn't know that's what it was. This is aventurine. I love aventurine. I actually have one by my bed. And this one's really beautiful. And then here are them together. I like how my phone captured them. You can actually see how pretty they are. Sometimes it's hard to capture the beauty of crystals. And then here's orange calcite. This is a bigger stone, a raw cut. The other 2 were tumbled. Yeah, this one, it looks like, honestly, like a slice of orange kind of, doesn't it? So I know calcite is soothing. I don't know. Orange is a little bit, orange it says is for creative energies. Blue aventurine is good for psychic activation. Carnelian's great for like having more energy and for like sexual reasons and passion reasons and work. Like if you're trying to get ahead in work, let's see what they say. It's stimulating. They say that's a perfect way to put it. And this is Midnight Lace Obsidian. It's a little reflective. You could see my face in it, but it's really cool. You can see through it a little bit too. And I love obsidian for protection. I don't have any midnight lace. This is supposed to be for being open to higher knowledge and newfound energy. Love that. I'll take any energy. So here are all the crystals by Emmy. She's still acting like she's just unbothered, doing her own thing. Slightly looking, you know. Let's see if the next box can wake her up. So what do we have next? Heaven Panty. So here's the bag Heaven Panty comes in. This is obviously a panty subscription. You can get it monthly or bi-monthly, which I think is cool. And you can also choose how many pairs you get. And the bag they come in, it's so cute. You can get a little sneak peek. So they say on their website you can get your first month free, and then it's either $9.99 or $16.99, depending on if you get 1 or 2 pairs. And I love the style. They always send me comfy and lacy. That's what I'm all about. I want my panties to look, you know, a little sexy, but be comfortable. I don't want anything too tight. They have a profile. It's really like, what's the word I'm trying to say? There's a lot you put on there. You can let them know your size at other retailers. You can let them know what style, what cut, what colors, what prints or fabrics you like. So that's great. And they even send you measuring tape your first month. So they make sure your sizing is right, and there's free exchanges. And they have a good loyalty program. You can get money back if you refer people or leave reviews. This tells you all the information here. They give you care information. So yeah, if you like post on Facebook or Instagram, you get some store credit. And I think this panty is so cute. I love the midnight blue, and it literally is comfy and sexy. The sheer sides, like I think this is such a cute pair. It's one of my favorites from them. I always like the panties they send, but this one's super cute. I love the sheer sides. It's a little cheeky. Let's see what Emmy thinks. Emmy, do you like my new panty? Let me put it by you and see what you think. And it is nylon. I'm trying to show you here. Nope, still unbothered. Trying to zoom in on her. Yeah. Super cute though. Love it. Love it. What's up next? Wevolve. So they have 2 different subscriptions, and it's different every other month. They're both bi-monthly. So when I first opened this, I wasn't sure which one it was, but this is the Wisdom Keepers book box by Wevolve. They also have an esoteric box I've opened on my channel. And the theme is I am the magic I seek. So you get a book every month and then like 4 or 5 other items. And they also give you like tips to dive deeper. I love this subscription. I've only been getting this for about 2 months, 3 months now. I think my first one was in March and then I got May. Yeah, so this is every other month, $29.95. And the book this month is Witchcraft Therapy, your guide to banishing bullshit and invoking your inner power. And this is by Mandy M. So I just flipped through some of the pages and I'm going to show you guys the contents. This looks really awesome. I love it. The vibe. Sorry if you just heard my crystals banging around. So yeah, I love the coloring and everything. I love the description. So they talk about vibe check your mindset, conjure confidence, summon calm. And then they say, or have a whole section on make mental health magic, cast relational sorcery, and enchant your life. And then they also go over some like magical basics. I'm super excited to read this. I'm a book dork or nerd. I don't know, whatever. Dork or nerd, both. So I'm pumped about this. Oh, it looks like Emmy's waking up a little bit. And then the next item we have is Organic Happy Tea by Wevolve box. So they made this herbal tea themselves. I love that the bag is resealable. A lot of time. I have some containers I put my teas in, but I do appreciate that. And then they also sent a little tea ball. I have a few of these, but I'm always happy to get more. And this one's super cute. because it has a little crescent moon on it. So this is called the crescent moon tea ball. So you just put the tea leaf or the loose tea in there, which is nice, especially if you don't have like any of these already at home or the disposable bags. I've tried to drink loose leaf tea without anything to do the tasseography, is that what it's called when you do divination with loose tea leaves, but I just like drink them all, so I prefer to use a tea ball, so happy to get it. And then next up, we have a candle. You guys, it smells so good. Let's see if they describe the scent. But this is the I Am Magic candle by We'Evolve box. That's so cool. They make everything. So this smells really good. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. It says to use it with a ritual bath, journaling, or during any self-care ritual. And yeah, it smells amazing. I think that's really cool. I'm sniffing it right now. I wish I could describe it better for you guys, but it smells awesome. And then the last thing in here, look how cute it's wrapped. Let's see, maybe Emmy does like string. Can you guys hear her in the background? When I'm recording this, she's much more awake. But the last item in the Witchy Wisdom Keepers box is a sun catcher, and it's super beautiful. I struggled for a second to get it open, but I'll show you. And it's talking about Litha, the summer solstice, which was yesterday. Did you guys celebrate? Happy solstice. And it says this will give you a little bit of solar magic. Magnify the energy of the sun within your home, bringing rainbows of light dancing across your floor. I think this is so pretty. I have several sun catchers, but I like want them all over. Like, yes, give me all of them. They're so beautiful. And I love when you can see little rainbow rays come in the morning. Oh, look, Emmy's waking up. Emmy, did you like the sun catcher? It's right next. Want to play with it now? Or do you prefer the string? Oh, there she goes. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Emmy, she steals the show the rest of this video. Are you so cute? We're just gonna sit here and admire your cuteness for a little bit. But you guys, I really like the Wisdom Keepers book box and We'Evolve in general. Thanks to Jessie Miller's Unboxing and More. Check out her channel. She suggested this box to me, and I'm so grateful she did. Thanks, Jessie. You're the best. And thank you, Emmy, for providing some sort of entertainment in this video. She's so cute. Just wait, you guys. Just wait. Oh my god. I had to include a clip of her. I think it's the next box. How many have we opened already? This is seriously speed wheeling. I almost said speed dating. Oh my god, look at that face. So cute. She's waking up. And the next box, I think we're on to the last. Is this the 5th box? Yes. Pretty Litter. This is random, but it is a subscription. I've been getting it for a while. I paid for this for myself. By the way, I paid for all of these except Heaven Panty. But this is kitty litter that doesn't have any allergens in it. It's like made from silicone. Sorry, this is like terribly shot with my phone right now, but look at her cute face. But anyways, the litter changes color based on the pH. So if your cat has a kidney infection or something's wrong, you could see. And also some cats are allergic to the stuff in regular kitty litter or like the standard stuff. So they just came out with this lotus flower scent. I can't really tell the scent. It's only the second time I've gotten it, but they have an unscented version. And they do all these tests on it and stuff. It's super good for your cat, and just like, you know, I worry about allergies because Emmy's had some itchy stuff going on. We don't really know what it's from. So I take every precaution, especially after losing 2 cats in the past. So I've been wanting to tell you guys about that. It starts at $22. They have other items on their shop too. But I have a referral link that will get you a bag free. And if you use it, I get a bag free as well. So thank you in advance if you guys use it. I know I'm not the only cat mom out there. I definitely suggest looking into it. They have like studies and stuff. And it doesn't have all that dust when you pour it. I would show you guys me pouring it right now, but our trash place, I live in a complex and they're like doing something. They said, don't leave the trash out tonight. And I don't want to keep used kitty litter in a bag inside today. So yeah, you can look at it in the bag. You don't really need to see Emmy's used kitty litter. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. I feel like I should name this Speed Wheel, but thank you for being here. I love you guys so much. Everything is linked down below. I hope I included all the information. I feel like I just flew through this, but I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.